This is a practical application of the thermite reaction, which is a mixture of aluminum and iron oxide. Workmen are using the thermite reaction to weld the railroad rails. Here, they are fitting the mold around the joint to weld the two rails together. To contain the molten iron, they use a mold and putty. To prevent the mold from cracking, they are preheating the mold. The workmen initiate the thermite reaction. The smoke and the flames indicate that the reaction is progressing. The aluminum reacts with the iron oxide to form molten iron and aluminum oxide. Now the molten iron is filling the mold. The excess iron is collected into a reservoir. The mold has been removed and the excess iron is being cut away. The crude weld will need a great deal more grinding to obtain the finished result.